Sorry, ran out of time on that last recording, but just to go ahead and finish off, we have BC is equal to 2 times 10 plus 6. And so that gives us a total of 26. So BC is 26 units, and AB is 10 units. Total of 36. Now, distance formula, good thing to go ahead and go by. Let me go ahead and do something real quick. This is going to be really, really fast, guys. All right. Let's go ahead and get rid of this. I'm not going to do it with this particular problem. Let's see. So we're looking for the distance between 2 points. And the 2 points in this case we're going to be using is going to be -4, 3, and 9, -8. And actually, we're going to go ahead and use this this picture right here. Now, we're going to use a little bit of thing. So right here, this is a right triangle. So we're going to be using actually Pythagoras Theorem, a squared plus b squared. Let's write that a little bit differently. I'm going to write the c first. You guys should know this thing by now. So we have c squared plus, sorry, getting myself a little bit frazzled, trying to hurry up. C squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. And I'm going to solve for c because I want to go ahead and find the distance right here. So c is equal to a squared plus b squared. And you take the square root of that. Now right here, if you remember your stuff with right triangles, the longest side is going to be our c. So that's the distance between x1 and y1 and x2 and y2. Let's go ahead and say that this side right here is our A, and this side over here is our B. So leg 1 is A, leg 2 is B. Now to find the distance between these 2 points, well, we have x1 here and x2 here. Well, remember that distance formula we were using earlier with the one dimensions? Well, we just take x2, subtract x1. So right here, we're going to replace A is equal to, and let's replace this with D. I'm going to replace that also. So D is equal to x2 minus x1. And we're not going to do absolute value there, but we're just going to be squaring that. That'll take care of any negatives. And again, right here, if you look at this, we have y1 down here, y2 over here. So the distance between those 2 points is y2 minus y1. And there, we've derived the Pythagorean theorem, the distance formula from the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so one of the things that I'm going to do is teach you this. It's going to be an easy little thing. This is -4, and this is 9. So now, going back to the pen, we're going to go ahead and take advantage of this. So we have -4. Where the and is, we're going to put minus sign. This will help us keep things a little bit more, how do you say, organized. So we have, on the distance formula, this is going to be equal to the square root of, let me see, first x is going to be -4 minus, because of this minus sign right here, 9 squared plus, you do the same thing with your y's, so you have 3, I'm looking at this 3 right here, and then I'm going to look at this -8 minus -8 squared. So let me see. -4 minus 9 is going to be -13 squared plus 3 minus -8. That's going to turn into just a positive 11 squared. Okay. I know that you guys are using calculators, so here's one of the calculators, but be very careful. Calculators are really stupid, and if you don't do things exactly, they'll go ahead and bite you. So first things first, some students are going to take -13 and then square it, just like that, and they'll say, oh, I got 169. So my answer is 169. No. Always when you have working with a negative, you're going to have to put parentheses around that negative 13. So negative 1, 3. Close the parentheses. And then you hit the square button. And this makes the calculator, forces it to take negative 13 times negative 13. So that's 169. Why do I do it? It's because I'm just showing you. So 169 plus 121, even though I know what the math is. So this is going to become the square root of 290. Now we can use radical simplification to go ahead and get the exact answer, but I'm going to leave it like that for now. We'll talk about that later. Okay, and that's about it. Thank you very much. Do the assignment. The assignment is going to be posted. There's 14 questions, 1 through 14. And that's about it. And everything's posted on Schoology. Thank you. Bye-bye.